Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Bed Gap Eliminator from the Bed Binder Deluxe store. We have a king-size Tempur-Pedic bed, and I have one of the original bed binder straps on the bed, and it has worked awesome for us. They have recently updated the Bed Gap Eliminator, and the owner, Daniel, contacted me and asked if I'd like to try it out. Of course, I said, heck yeah. When you unbox it, everything is packaged really nice. You get a nice little thank you note from Daniel, who is the founder of Bed Binder Deluxe. You get a nice little instruction manual that comes in multiple languages, and let me say right now, the bed binder is very easy to put on your bed. And of course, you get the bed binder. This new upgraded bed binder is high quality. The straps come sewn to it. It's a wonderful concept and a genius idea to close those mattress gaps on your bed. Just unfold the bed binder and stretch it across your bed. This new version of the bed binder is wider and the material is softer. Here's a closer view, and you'll notice the quality of the stitching. Once you've got it laid across your bed, these straps, both straps, will go under both mattresses to clip in on the other side of the bed binder. Well, at this point, you're basically done. Just tighten the straps, buckle up the clips, and you are done. Now you have just eliminated gaps in your mattress. Let me show you right here. I'm going to raise one side of the bed, and you can see this Bed Gap Eliminator works perfectly. There's absolutely no interference with the other side of the bed, so you can continue to use your side of the bed any way you want on this, and the Bed Gap Eliminator keeps the gap closed and works perfectly, does not interfere. I am very pleased with this upgrade. My wife and I slept on the new Bed Gap Eliminator last night. It was wonderful. We love it, and I think you will too. If you're aggravated with mattress gaps like we once were, get you one of these. I hope you found this video helpful.